Hello everyone. Welcome to Miss Lena's Kitchen. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. I am blessed, I am well, and I am happy. This is the 4th of July week coming in, and I hope everyone will be watching for everything that's out there. So look, I'm going to read the scripture. I'm going to bring it from John 14:37. Peace I leave with you. My peace I give to you. That is the world gives, do I give to you. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. John 14:27. This is for time of fear. So don't have fear. Go on, because you know God is over and God is in control of every situation that you may be going through today, tonight, tomorrow, or whenever. So when this scripture comes, I hope there will be someone that will look for this scripture and will remember the words in this scripture that you're out. So I want you all, everyone that's out there, be real careful as you travel on this holiday week. All the way from now to next week. May God be your protection and your cover. Always remember that for God has not given us a spirit of fear, but of power, of love, and of sound mind. So that's coming from 2 Timothy 17. So be happy, be blessed, and get ready to go on your road, on your trip, on home, for the 250-year celebration of our America history. Thank you all so much for listening to the scripture. And like I said, I hope what I have read tonight will be something that will interest someone. Not today, not tomorrow. Anytime that you come, whenever you may remember, you might not be reading looking at the video now, but it will come back to you. And sometimes you can go back over one of the videos that's on there, and you will hear the scripture. So thank you so much. May God bless. I'm getting ready now to prepare a salad. This is a chicken apple salad, please.
Yeah, this is chicken apple cider. Chicken apple salad.
Apple salad. It's not very many of us that have it, so I'm going to only use one can. Most time, I use 2 or 3 cans or whatever I'm making. But I did use these apples are pretty small, and these were organic apple snacks, okay? And these are kind of small apples. And so I'm using about 4 apples of this size and chopping them up, and 2 stalks of celery, and I'm chopping them up, and then I'm going to be putting in like 1/4 of 1/2 of cream cheese I have here. That's what I'm getting ready to mash in here. That's 1/2 is 4 ounces of cream cheese in this one can of chicken that's cut up in the can. All right. And then I have 2 sticks of celery. I hope all is having a wonderful day today, and hope you all will look forward to a wonderful weekend. It's 1/2.
Okay, so
it's 4 ounces.
So she put 4 ounces of green cream.
It's like 4 ounces. Okay. I'm putting the whole 4 ounces in.
So she put the whole 4 ounces in there of cream cheese.
Normally, if I have 2 cans, I'll put the whole day down. But peel some of the apples, and some I didn't peel.
How many apples is that?
But I have 4 small apples in here.
And 1 stick of celery, y'all, I believe she used.
of what is it?
Miracle Whip.
Okay. Miracle Whip, okay. Don't forget to drain your chicken though before you put it in your bowl and mash it up real fine. You know, a chicken or tuna, whatever you're gonna use.
Okay, y'all. She's just put some red peppers in there.
I have sweet peppers.
Sweet red peppers, y'all. The sweet peppers. I need to
Yeah, I'm cutting up a little egg.
Then, how many eggs you putting in it?
I'm gonna put 2.
2 eggs.
Yeah, I'm putting 2. I haven't got them cut up yet. So.
We're gonna say that. Ooh, y'all, that looks good. Okay, now she putting a purple onion in there, y'all. Look like 1 slice.
Just a little bit, that's all. Just 1 little slice, and I'm just chopping it up as small as I can.
But y'all can put as much as y'all want to in y'all's though.
Y'all can put whatever else you want to put in here. But, honey, it's my bedtime, and I got to sleep on it.
Yes.
I don't have to sleep on it, it's fine. But if I'd have made it up in the early part of the day, it might be all right. With 1 slice cut up, that's all.
And 1 slice of onion, a purple onion, but you can put more in there.
And you can put noodles in this one. Cook your noodles and make the it'd be a noodle apple salad. A noodle apple salad. Pasta apple salad. All right, everyone. This is my final presentation of my apple chicken salad. And I hope you will enjoy it. It is very, very good. I just kind of decorated it a little bit and with a little sweet spinach around it. I didn't have any tomatoes. I have to use what I have when I'm doing what I have to do. But try it, you guys. I know that you will like it. This is a wonderful dish for the summer coming up, for this weekend coming up. Because you can also take it and put it on lettuce and eat it on the lettuce. You can eat it on lettuce, or you can just eat it with crackers, or you can just put it, whatever you would like. And I tell you, you can even put it in a hot dog bun if you like. All you have to do is take a hot dog bun, a hamburger bun, toast it, and you can put this on top of it. And you can put cheese on top if you like it. But like it is now, it's a salad. It can turn into a burger if you would like. It's very easy. This is made out of canned chicken, but you can do the same thing with tuna, chicken breast, or whatever you would like. Whatever you would like to do. Pulled chicken, pulled anything, and have a nice, delicious salad. You can even make it out of meat, real pork meat, or whatever you like. So I thank you all for trying it. It is so delicious, you guys. Y'all just don't know how delicious this is. This, when I say it's good, it is delicious. I mean it from my heart, from the bottom of my heart. And outside, it will make you want to do something that you haven't done before. Just make enough. All I made is 1 can of chicken breast, white chicken breast meat. This is what I made it out of. And y'all, it's delicious. I could have put a whole lot more in it, but I'm going to eat this to go to bed tonight, and I don't want to put a whole lot in it. But you can add whatever you want to. Make a great big bowl. This is just wonderful. When I say, oh my God, good, 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 good to the last bite. Here, come on and try it. Don't forget, this is Miss Lena's chicken salad, an apple chicken salad. It is totally delicious. Please believe me. You can also, it is very good if you put grapes in it. I didn't have any grapes to put in it, so I used what I had. But it's even better with grapes. Okay. Will y'all please This is Miss Lena's Kitchen Cookbook. If y'all will find, I have salads in there. If y'all want to try this book, please buy it and try it.
Y'all, the ebook is $19.99. The softback is $34.99, and the hardback right here is $45.99. And the link will be in the bottom in the description box to the cookbook. Y'all, please get the cookbook. It's good for gifts and people getting married and birthday presents and all kind of. It's an awesome book, y'all. Awesome book, cookbook.
Very, very nice. You all will enjoy it. There's a lot of things going on this time of the year, so when you look in the book, it's all of everything in here, and it will tell you the outline, the context of it. It's very special. And these are the ones that have previously bought one. I've already received it. And these are some of my pictures so that was coming up through the years. From my baby on up to about 30 years old, 35, something like that. But there are many good things in here. And my main thing that I have is my main thing is my dressing that I have here.
And also, y'all, the publishing company has the books they have published in the back of the. They have books they have published in the back of the book. She has a lot of things in there. In her dressing cookbook is in there. I mean, her dressing recipe is in there, and her 100-year-old cake recipe is in there. Sweet potato pies, chess pies, whole lot of stuff. So y'all, okay. So anybody want the recipe book? The link will be below in the video.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful night. Goodbye now. I will see y'all later in the next video. Bye now. Bye-bye.